All right, back for another one. This is the Sketchy Sounds old tapes. Really lo-fi kind of echoey delay kind of thing. I mean, it's fantastic. So again, JMT Synth as my source. Next videos, I'm going to change that up, I think. And here we go. Source sound. Sketchy Sounds old tapes. I got this off of Etsy. He's also on Reverb. Really cool pedal. Also, I do have buttons. If you'd like a button, just see me on social media or something and request one. I'm on Twitter, Colin J. Ray, or Instagram, Sticking It To You. And yeah, till next time.